Hey there, my name is Lottie Rose.
Hi there, I'm Bianca J.
Hey, I'm Jessie.
And welcome to the Dennis Bloodnok Channel.
Hello YouTubers, and welcome to the unboxing of the iPhone SE for 2020. As you can see, I have the 128GB version, so let's see what this new iPhone looks like. As we can see, the usual design by Apple in California, and stickers and one or two other bits of information. And then let's see this beautiful phone. Very nice, with the camera on the back, just a single camera. And I know a lot of people like to see the plastic removed from the phone itself. So there is the phone. Inside we have the power brick. UK version, of course. The wireless earbuds. And the charging cable. So I'm going to go away and do a bit of examination and checking out of this phone, and a series of review videos will follow in due course. Many thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and the Dennis Bloodnok channel will return in the next video. Thank you.